In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make advanced animation in Elementor. Creating animations can enhance the look and feel of your website, making it more engaging and interactive for your users. We'll be exploring how to use Elementor to achieve these captivating effects, so let's dive in. To start off, you'll need to access your WordPress dashboard and ensure that Elementor is installed and activated. Once you're in your dashboard, head over to the Pages or Posts section and open the page where you'd like to add your animation. When the Elementor editor opens, you'll see a range of widgets on the left side of the screen. This is where the magic happens. Select any widget or section on your page that you want to animate. On the left panel under the Content tab, you'll find an option labeled Advanced. Clicking on this will reveal more options. Under the Advanced tab, there's a section called Motion Effects. This is your gateway to animating elements on your page. In the Motion Effects section, you'll see various options, such as Entrance Animation, which allows your elements to animate when they come into view on a user's screen. Choose from a list of predefined animations based on what suits your design. Do you want your image to fade in, bounce, or slide? Select the effect that best aligns with your vision. If you want your animation to stand out, you can customize its duration and delay for a more personalized touch. Adjust the animation duration to slow down or speed up the effect. Similarly, the animation delay feature lets you specify how long after the page loads the animation should begin, adding a layer of sophistication to the overall presentation. For those looking to create more interactive animations, Elementor also offers scrolling effects. These are especially useful for engaging visitors as they scroll down the page. Enable scrolling effects, and tailor them by exploring additional settings like vertical scroll, horizontal scroll, rotate, scale, transparency, and blur, adding depth and dimension to the elements on your page. Now, if your project calls for it, dive into mouse effects to animate elements in response to cursor movement. This can be particularly engaging, capturing user attention effortlessly. You can experiment with options like mouse track to move elements in relation to cursor movement or 3D tilt to give a dynamic 3D effect. Before wrapping up, don't forget to preview your changes. Click the eye icon at the bottom of the panel to see your animations in action. It's a chance to catch any tweaks that might be necessary to ensure everything looks just right. And finally, once you're satisfied, click Update to save your changes and make your newly animated page live. There you have it. You now know how to create advanced animations in Elementor. With these tools at your disposal, your website can help captivate and retain your audience's interest like never before. Thanks for watching.